And then y'all. We have these around the world snacks.
I will try these.
I'm gonna be trying these.
But I have these chips.
Okay. And
peach and matcha.
peach and matcha.
I have pucha,
Puchao.
Oreos, raspberry and blueberry flavored. You have cucumbers, they're cucumber flavored.
Look like you ate some already.
Yeah.
I didn't.
Oh, okay.
I got Pocky sticks. I got grape flavored. Like, it's a marble drink.
Didn't you get a drink, Sophia? So you have a Pepsi. What kind? Do you know what kind of Pepsi?
Peach.
Peach Pepsi. Okay.
Yeah, we got ramen. And let's go and try the ramen.
Okay. Great.
I'm trying this candy from the UK. Whirly. It's really curly.
Tastes like
You don't like it? Oh, wait. What's the rating, Sophia?
0 out of
0?
Yeah.
Y'all really have different taste buds. I can do that one.
10. So we are trying sour balls from Turkey.
Mm-hmm. You look like a bump me. Like it? Chew it.
What's so sour about it?
You don't like it?
I like strawberry stuff, and I'll give it like an 8 out of 10.
I don't like strawberry things, and it's strawberry flavored.
So it's a...
Yeah.
Let me try one.
Are you okay?
Are you being real dramatic?
Exactly, that's not being dramatic.
How you feeling about these? Because I feel like they're a banger. They're hip. It's going to be the only legs I eat. And the chicken ones.
Infinity.
Okay, what's next, Sophia?
Sikiroo.
Sakuru. Here we come. And then y'all.
What? Oh.
You stay close.
Those are good.
You like it? Let me see. I'll be spicy. Next one?
We're gonna try this Pocky, matcha, and peach flavor mixed together. It is from Korea.
Korea. Okay.
The
Cutesy.
package are so cute.
Cutesy. Okay, okay. Girl. Go ahead, guys.
It's good. Yeah.
Mike, you don't like it?
When you're just begging.
Tastes like those vegetable sticks.
I don't know.
It's not sweet?
Yeah.
We're trying my Pockies. They're grape flavored.
Yeah, it's sweet.
I know.
Let me see. Very cutesy.
Let me first. What, I can have it?
Take a big old bite.
Stop.
Come on.
Chill. Give me
I
napkin.
need a napkin.
Y'all don't like it?
No.
Is it that bad? Sophia, what are you trying next?
Like these chips.
Oh, what are those?
Chicken.
Flavored.
Chicken.
Chicken flavored chips? Ooh, okay.
Why are they so hard?
Are they Lay's?
Yes.
Do it smell like chicken? Do it smell like chicken?
This one like chicken nips.
Chicken in a soup. Chicken in a soup with a sun inside.
Sophia, taste it.
Yeah.
Is it a banger?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, y'all so black. Okay, come on, chicken chips. Let me taste one. Let me taste the chicken chip.
Can I get some?
Mmm. Oh, those are fire. Oh, them taste good. Okay, Maya, we train next. It looks like you ate some already.
That was her.
That's a lot.
How many cucumbers it?
Okay. Dang, you already ate some. Chill. Can't wait to eat some more. What they taste like to you guys?
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
A
A mussel.
What's that? So we have to use Oreos, berry, and raspberry.
Come out. Put them. Now, you like it, Maya? How you feel, Sophia? Like it?
I just ate the top.
Oh, the one that didn't have that much on it?
I don't like it.
Oh.
Because it's the same.
Why your face look? What flavor did you eat?
Mango.
Strawberry? Good what?
Mango.
That is great. Banger, 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 banger. Okay, so what are the drinks that we have now? Sophia, you have a
Peach and Pepsi.
peach Pepsi, and
I have a marble drink.
you have a marble drink. Do you know what flavor?
Strawberry.
Okay. Okay. So I'll take one of each drink. A marble drink first or the Pepsi first?
Marble.
All right, let's go.
I think a 6.
What do you think, Sophia?
The 8.
That's good.
It just keeps hitting your tongue. It makes it like smarter.
Now what about Pepsi?